How to cancel Spotify Premium. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how we can cancel Spotify Premium, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to cancel Spotify Premium, go ahead and then open your browser and go to spotify.com. so we won't be using the app, but we will open the browser. Now tap the three lines option, go to login, and make sure to log in with the account from where you want to cancel the membership. And after you've done that, you will see this type of interface. So now tap the gear icon here and then just tap on the view account option. Once you tap on view account, if you scroll down right here, you'll find your plan and you'll find the option to cancel it if you have premium. Now I don't have premium, so you're seeing join premium, but if you have premium, you'll see the option to switch to the free plan. So you just have to tap on that switch to free plan, and then your Spotify subscription will get successfully cancelled. This way you can cancel Spotify Premium. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.